And I want to show you one thing. Inside here, you can see basically a bit of mortar buildup, and that will make it very tough for us to get those screens inside in a friendly manner. So I'm going to show you what you can do to remove that internal mortar. Go ahead and grab yourself a very thin flathead screwdriver as shown here. Insert it in and basically begin breaking away that mortar. As you can see, it's breaking away very easily. And for certain areas, you can tap the base of the screwdriver with maybe a rubber mallet to give you better jolting power to break away that internal mortar. To again, clear up this loophole to allow you to install the brand new screen in a much friendlier manner. Coming back inside to a view after I broke away several bit of the mortar to again allow us to easily slide that brand new screen in place. Much better. As you can see, a lot of mortar came out. Big chunks. Check that out.